This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Now let's just try adding a different answer type for a particular question. So here the first question is, which is the best heavier metal? And here we have two options called gold and silver. So instead of this, instead of a multiple choice answer type, let us just choose a short answer as the answer type for this question. And after that, you have to just click the answer key option. Now add a correct answer for this. I will add a gold is a heavier metal. So this is the right answer. But you have to add as many right answers as possible. The student can also try to attempt as gold as a answer, and he can also use uppercase letter at the beginning for G. So try adding that, because both uppercase letters and lowercase letter, everything is detected here. So add gold starting with a lowercase, also a gold where G is in uppercase. Try adding all the possible correct answers for this question. And after that, if you want to mark all other correct answers as incorrect, then just take this option after adding all the right answers. And that's it. We are done creating a question for which an answer type is a short answer type. Apart from this, let us also choose another answer type for a different question. Let us choose a drop down as an answer type for this question, which is the coldest location on the earth. Here, instead of multiple choice, we are going to select the drop down. And in the drop down, the first option will be America and second option will be East Antarctica. So after just changing the two answer types, let us just click on preview and try adding answers for this quiz. So as we have enabled shuffling for this quiz, hence this question is available at the top, and all the questions are just at different places. So which is the fastest animal on the land? It's cheetah. Now here, which is the coldest location on earth? It's East Antarctica. Now, which is the best heavier metal? Of course, I'll just type as gold, and let us just click on submit. And here, as we have just disabled the option saying add another response, it is just showing us a message saying, hooray, you have successfully completed the quiz. When the student will just click on view score, now he can view the score. The first option is right, East America is right, and gold is also right.